Hello everyone, this time we are going to do a basic flowchart using Visio. Flowchart represents a process or workflow from start to end. It also makes us understand the workflow step by step. So, what are we going to do using this Microsoft Visio? Any idea? Well, I did choose one topic that we can use for learning in this video, and the topic for this video is television. It was a simple topic for you guys to learn some basic Visio. Now let's begin our tutorial. Click your Microsoft Visio. Once it opens, find flowchart and click on it. We are going to click on the basic flowchart and then click create. Before doing a flowchart, check these basic shapes that very important for our lesson today. These are all the basic flowchart shapes used for doing flowchart. These are shapes for process, decision, sub-process, start or end, document, data, database, external data, custom 1, custom 2, custom 3, custom 4, on-page reference, and off-page reference. Wow, that's a lot of shapes. Are we going to use that? We are going to use only a few shapes, not all of that, okay? Let's do a flowchart. Drag one of the shapes into this blank page, drag it to the middle, double-click on shapes, type start. Then click the shapes. You will see an arrow coming out from the box. What is the purpose of this arrow? This arrow makes drawing easier by just choosing shapes from here. Click on the arrow below the shapes and find process shapes. Double-click on shapes. Type switch on plug. Start switching on your television or TV. Right, back to our lesson in this tutorial. Imagine that one day you are feeling happy to watch TV, but out of a sudden the screen does not appear anything at all. What's next? We are going to check the power lights indicator. So, use process shapes that looks like a rectangle shape. Double-click on shapes. Type check power lights indicator. What happens after checking the power light? Maybe the light will turn on or off? Now, see this arrow on your right hand side? Click on decision shapes. Double-click on shapes. Type on. Then do the same things on your left hand side. Click on decision shapes. Double-click on shapes. Type off. check if the power lights turn on. Click on the arrow. Find the process shape and click on it. Right-click on Shapes and find Edit Text. Type Screen Appear. Go to the arrow below the shapes and click Transmission Shapes. Double-click on Shapes. Type N. But what if the light goes off? Go to the arrow below the shapes and click Process Shapes. Double-click on Shapes. Type Repair TV. Once the TV has been repaired, click on the arrow below the shapes. Find the decision shape and click on it. Double-click on Shapes. Type Yes. Go to the arrow below the shapes and click Transmission Shapes. Double-click on Shapes. Type N. But what if the shop owner said that the TV is too old and could not be repaired again? Click on the arrow on your left-hand side. Find the decision shape and click on it. Double-click on Shapes. Type No. Below the decision shapes, click on Process Shapes. Double-click on Shapes. Type Buy New TV. Go to the arrow below the shapes and click Transmission Shapes. Double-click on Shapes. Type N. To end this tutorial, select all shapes in this diagram, drag it to the center, go to Design, select one theme that you like. Now, you already know how to do a flowchart using Visio. It was easy like a pie, am I right? Okay, see you again. Bye.